Alright, so this is June 21, question number 9. This is the trigonometric transformation. Alright, so the part that was left is the last one, question number C. So we drew both graphs. We drew 1 over x plus 1 and we know the tan graph. Alright, so it's drawn over here. So the tan graph is as such, that's the tan graph. Alright, and then the red represents y equals to 1 over x plus 1. Alright, okay. So we have that graph's asymptote, which is y equals to 1. Okay. They asked us to find all of the intersections between minus 10 pi to 5 over 2 pi. Alright, for this graph. Okay. So we have to find all of the solutions. So let's take a look. For the tan graph, the first asymptote is over here. Okay. The second asymptote is at 1.5 pi, and then you have 5 over 2 pi. The first asymptote is pi over 2, okay, and then you have 1.5 pi, and then you have 5 over 2 pi. Alright, okay, so let's consider the positive x-axis first. If we consider the positive x-axis first, we will have intersections where this color. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, let's consider the positive x-axis. So in the positive x-axis, I have intersection over here, intersection over here, and anywhere else, intersection over here, right? That's within 5 over 2 pi. Okay, so in the positive x-axis, I have 3 intersections here. Okay, so in the positive x-axis, I have 3 intersections. Alright, now let's take a look at the negative x-axis. Now this is the extra intersection. Over here you have an extra intersection. Let's take that into account. So I have one intersection that's over here. Okay, now let's consider the other ones. Okay, so I have intersection over here, intersection over here, intersection over here. So as you can see, within every pi you have one intersection, right? So since we have minus 10 pi, that will give us 10 intersections, right? So we have 10 intersections, and we are getting one extra intersection because the curve is curving downwards over here. Since it's curving downwards over here, we have an extra intersections. So again, 3 intersections on the positive x-axis, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one intersection over here, that's 1. Alright, and if you consider the negative x-axis, within every pi you will have one intersection each, within every pi. Alright, so 10 pi gives you 10 intersections. So you have 10 intersections over here. You have one extra intersection because of the downward curve, 1, and in the positive x-axis you have 3 intersections. So in total you will have how many intersections? 14. That's your total number of intersections.